Hello viewers, and welcome to this session on phonology. I am Dr. Samina Azhar from the Department of English at the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. In today's session, under major concepts of linguistics, we will discuss phonology. Phonology is the study of the properties of sound systems in languages. It is the study of the way sounds function in languages. In brief, it is the system of rules essential to study sound patterns in a language. Now let us discuss phonemes. Phonemes are the basic phonological units. They are building blocks of speech sounds. A single phoneme is represented by a single written symbol like pa, ta, da. A phoneme is placed within slashes. Allophones are the physical speech sounds that we hear, and they vary depending on context. Allophones study particular realization of phonemes in speech. For example, we have p, t and k having different allophonic realizations in English depending on their position in a word. For example, when we say pin or when we say spin, both p and p are allophones to the phoneme pa. Allophones are placed within brackets. Minimal pairs have different meanings, but only one sound of phonemic difference. For example, bad and bed, rock and lock. In bad we have a the sound, in bed we have the sound, and in rock we have r, and in lock we have l. These minimal pairs help to distinguish phonemes from each other. Now let us discuss different branches of phonology. Suprasegmental phonology analyzes intonation, patterns, rhythm and stress. It is also referred as prosody. Segmental phonology studies discrete segments such as phonemes. It analyzes a phoneme's airstream mechanism, state of glottis, primary and secondary articulations, or we can say place of articulations. Diachronic phonology studies the patterns of the sound system through the history of a language. It is concerned with the process by which words like SEAC and SEEC, once pronounced with two different vowel sounds, have come to be pronounced in a similar fashion. Synchronic phonology studies patterns of sound without any consideration for historical change. Synchronic phonology studies sound patterns at a single stage in the development of a language. It analyzes that DM and NT can appear within or at the end of words like rent and admit, but not at the beginning. Phonotactics is the study of the ways in which phonemes are allowed to combine in particular language. The structure of syllable show us how phonemes appear in particular sequence. Each syllable has a nucleus, an onset and a coda. Nucleus is always a vowel and coda and onset are usually consonant. For example, the word cat. The k sound is the onset, a is the nucleus, which is a vowel, and t is the coda. Now let us talk about the similarity between phonetics and phonology. Peter Roach, Henry Widdowson, and Barbara Kelly, these three linguists presented similarities between phonetics and phonology. According to them, both are subdisciplines of linguistics, both study sound systems, both study the prosody of language like rhythm, stress, and intonation patterns. Talking about the differences between phonetics and phonology, phonetics deals with the production, transmission, and reception of all human speech sounds in general without any reference to any language, whereas phonology deals with the ways those sounds are organized to create meaning in a specific language. To sum up, we can say phonology describes sound contrast which create differences in meanings within a language. Phonological systems are made up of phonemes, and each language has its own phonological system. The study of phonology is language specific. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this session.